It can be hard to deal with change. We can get angry or very worried when things don't go the way we expect. To help us deal with change, we can use an open mind. An open mind says yes to imagining new ideas or changes. This helps us try new things. The opposite of an open mind is a closed mind. A closed mind doesn't let in new ideas or changes for consideration. A closed mind makes us feel worried and upset when we don't need to be. Having an open mind means we stay calm so we can let in a new idea. We picture the new idea. See that it's not so bad. And lets us say, okay, I'll try that. When we use our open mind, we pick a calming strategy. Open minds think best when we're calm. Use self-talk. Tell yourself, I can try new things with my open mind. Use your open mind to picture doing the new way in your head. Agree to try it. Remember, it's okay to feel uncomfortable when you try something new. Just keep using your open mind. It's a new way of thinking, so it takes practice. Let's see what using an open mind looks like.
Yes!
That was a good game. Want to play again?
We don't have time. And your recess is over in 5 minutes.
Let's change the rules to make it go faster. It'll be like a speed round. You can take 3 cars instead of 1.
I don't think so. I like playing the regular way. Well, otherwise we won't have time to play. I guess we can try changing the rules.
Okay, let's play. Oh man.
My turn.
Let's see how Natalie and Shay were feeling when Shay kept an open mind.
I like playing with Shay. He let me change the rules this time, and we had a lot of fun.
Changing the rules wasn't so bad, and we got to play more. I'm glad I used my open mind. When someone has a new idea, I can get worried and upset. But I used my open mind to try the new way of playing. First, I picked a calming strategy. I took a really deep breath. This made me feel better. I pictured the new way to see that it wasn't a big deal. I told myself, I can handle this, and I said to Natalie, I'll try it.
You can use your open mind to help you try new things. Shay noticed he was feeling worried about a new way of playing. Keeping an open mind helped Shay and Natalie have fun playing because Shay tried something new. So, what did we learn? We can use our open mind to help us do new things. We pick a calming strategy. Open minds think best when we're calm. We use self-talk to tell ourselves, I can try new things with my open mind. We use our open mind to picture doing the new way in our head. Then, we agree to try it. Sometimes it takes time to feel comfortable with a new way.